Hello and welcome to my new video about the GoPro Supercharger. Today we will see together what's inside this package. So this GoPro Supercharger is an international dual port charger as it contains different adapters for North America and Japan, continental Europe, Australia, New Zealand, UK, Hong Kong and Singapore. So it contains a supercharger, which is 27.5 watts, a global adapter. It's USB cable that supports up to 3 amperes, which is quite heavy. And here in the specs we see that this port offers up to 3x faster charging on fast charge compatible devices. So you have a lot of small numbers here, which means that there is a lot of conditions to be met. If you want to have this three times speed, you have to meet some conditions, and the conditions are somewhere. Yeah. Compared to 5 volts, 1 ampere USB chargers. And the second, which is the fast charge compatible devices. Yeah, it's 3 times faster charging on fast charge compatible devices. It means that, yeah, chargers a Hero 5 Black and Hero 5 Session up to 20% faster. Dual battery charger up to 45% faster, and Karma grip up to 70% faster. Performance may vary. Yeah. Okay. So let's see what's inside the package. It's important to mention that this is compatible with all the GoPro devices. So if you have the GoPro Hero 5 or the Karma grip or the GoPro Hero 6, 7, 8 or even the 9, which has been released in September 2020. So it can be used with this supercharger. And also, what's important to mention is that when you buy a new GoPro device or any new GoPro accessory, you have this security bands that protects your package and that can help you know that it's a brand new product. It's sealed, 4 seals, the first, second, third and fourth. So you cannot open it from anywhere until you have opened these seals. So today we will open these seals and discover what's inside. So I'll use a knife to open the seals. Seals open. Now let's discover. Oops. Yeah. Doesn't want to get out. Why? Okay. Yeah. And here we go. The brand new GoPro Supercharger. So the package was almost 20 centimeters large, but inside you have the GoPro Supercharger, which is, as mentioned, a dual port charger. And here you can see, let's focus. We have the USB-C port and a normal USB port. And here you can put the adapter that that's corresponding to the region where you're at. And here you have all the adapters. So this one is the North American, Japan. If you're traveling a lot, it's very interesting. And this one is for continental Europe. And this one is for Hong Kong, US, and Singapore. And this one is for Australia and New Zealand. So it's quite smart from the GoPro team to provide all these different adapters. And here you can see the specs and all the regulatory content. So the dimensions of this charger is 7 centimeters long. Here. It's 47 centimeters long, and 5 centimeters large, 5.5, and in depth it's about 2.5 centimeters, but so it's quite big compared to the battery charger that you can see in one of my other videos. And of course you have a very thick USB cable that you can use for charging any GoPro device. And here you can see that it can support up to 3 amperes. Yeah, it's 3 ampere USB-C cable, which is quite important if you want to use the supercharge without breaking your existing cable, which are not supporting all these high amperes. So the important here to know or to note is to do not try to use any not really relevant cables, and any non-branded cables also, because you might expose your GoPro camera to risk of damage or any burning, especially if you are using this supercharger. Also, don't try to use it while charging your phone, because I don't think that the voltage or the amperes are aligned with what can be supported by the phones. So this one is for GoPro camera, action cams, or any GoPro devices. Don't use it to charge your mobile phone because it might explode. And yeah, let's see what's inside also. I see some documentation. Yeah, as usual, the notice and safety instruction. All the warnings in all different languages, so please read it. Yeah, Japanese, French, English. But I think you all know how to use a charger. So you have just to take your charger, plug the corresponding adapter, and then plug it into your wall adapter. Put it in the wall plug. So yeah, here is the brand new GoPro Supercharger. It's quite expensive, yes, compared to normal unbranded chargers or any other product. It's even more expensive than the battery charging kit, which contains the double battery charger and a supplementary battery. But it's a good product, I guess. Let's see how it works later on, and does it fit into the needs. So thank you for your time, and thank you for watching this video. And please send me any comment, leave your comments in the video, or you can try to contact me also if you need detailed information. I don't sell GoPro products, just it's just my hobby to share information with you. So I'm not sponsored by GoPro, and this video is completely offered from myself to you, dear friends. And you can watch it if you are planning to buy any new GoPro products or any GoPro Supercharger. And if you really are hesitating and want to know exactly what does it look like in the real life and not in the advertisement pictures, so this is a real supercharger, GoPro Supercharger, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to stay tuned to my upcoming videos. I'll try to provide you always relevant content and interesting content, and I'll be really happy to hear my any feedback from you that can help me improve these videos and provide you better ones in the future. And I'll be also happy to know what you're interested in and what I can provide you as new content. So thank you very much for watching, and thank you for subscribing to my channel. And I will post new videos very soon. Thank you very much, and stay tuned.